Hi everyone, Sarah here at St. Dodge's Active Showroom. So as I said, I'm showing you this beautiful 2020 Jeep Gladiator in Gobi. This vehicle has a 3.6 liter engine with the VVT timing. So that's variable valve timing, giving you better fuel economy, more power for your vehicle. As you can see, this customer has done a lot of work to the vehicle. So including the upgraded front fender here with the LED lights. Coming around to the side, you're going to see these ginormous tires. So they are 37 inches. He also put an additional 4-inch lift onto this vehicle. As you can see, it has the side steps here. It is a hard top and the deep tinted glass. With those tires that he did purchase, he also put in a 5th full-size spare. This bracket here, it can also is on hydraulic, so it can actually angle down, giving you a nice, cool, rugged look. This vehicle is meant for off-roading, and it is a wonderful vehicle. Let me show you some interior features. Stay tuned. Hi everyone, Sarah here in St. Dodge's Active Showroom. I'm inside the 2020 Jeep Gladiator Sport S Edition. So as you saw on the outside, it is a Gobi color with the deep tinted glass. Carrying on into the inside here, you're going to see the dark interior. It is cloth, but Jeeps are made for dealing with the elements, so don't be worried about that. In the back here, you're going to see lockable storage. It's also available on the other side. This vehicle also comes with the removable Bluetooth speaker. So if you're not driving, you can actually just take this with you. You can have it in the house, around a campfire, or anything like that, and it connects to your phone, and you have all the controls there. And that's just behind the back seats here in the Jeep. Carrying her on into the front, you're going to see a lot of controls in the middle. The controls in the middle for the Wranglers and the Jeep Gladiators, they're made for if you do take off the doors and the top. So you still have all your controls without losing anything. This vehicle does have the cold weather package. So it comes with a remote start, as well as a heated steering wheel and a heated seats there. This vehicle does have the backup camera, and you can access the backup camera without actually being in reverse. So it shows you if you're in any tight spots or anything like that. True 4x4 vehicle. Like I said, continuing with the lockable storage, you're going to have this being able to be locked, as well as this. So if you do take off the hardtop door, the hardtop roof, or the doors, you're still going to be able to lock up your valuables. As I said, this unit has less than 26,000 kilometers. It is one owner, clean CarFax. The previous owner put a lot of work into this vehicle and used it as a true off-roading vehicle. If you want to know more, give us a shout at 780-458-8660.